Hello guys, today I will be trying a strawberry milkshake toaster strudel because apparently I can't pronounce anything right today and it's a Pop-Tart, not a toaster strudel. Man, I am bad at this year, if that made any sense to you. So, I froze it because it said to try it frozen here. And yeah, my mom ate the rest because she loves them. I've never tried these, but anyway, yes, let's smell it in the not so new Pop-Tart wrapper. And it smells like freezer burn. Delicious. So, open this thing up, and of course it's all broken up. Lovely. So I guess we got croutons for somebody we don't like salad. Well, as long as I don't like it. If I do like it, somebody who likes salad. And this is very disappointing. Like, seriously? 20-ish sprinkles? 20-ish sprinkles. You have gotten to be kidding me. Look at this grand display of confectioners. I don't know what to describe these. Like, to compare these two things, they could not be any more different. But anyway, let's get on with the tasting because it's not all about the looks. And that's a famous quote from nobody I know. And I just made that up. So, let's get to trying this. First impressions, it's very hard to chew. See, look, this layer is like taffy almost. So, the middle layer between the icing and the bottom, taffy. Second impressions, actual tasting part. It's not very different from regular run-of-the-mill strawberry Pop-Tarts. To be honest, these are okay. I don't know what's different about them. They just taste very similar. One notable difference is this one is frozen because I froze it. I haven't tried the other normal strawberry Pop-Tart frozen. I've always toasted them. So yeah, let's get on some very disappointing filling stretch. And yeah. Now, people are going to be angry because I only tried the frosted part. I didn't try the plain cracker part. So I'm going to do that now. And it just tastes like bread. Just bread. Very dry though. And cold. So, final conclusions. Pop-Tarts, you really need to step up your game with this because ain't nobody got time for this. Okay? Nobody has the time to decipher this in the grocery store saying, oh, the worst it could look like is 2 turds on a plate. But at least it's not 2 turds on a plate and it actually looks like something edible. So final conclusions, it's pretty good.